Video guide, how to remove the reservoirs. Start with Reservoir A. Disconnect power to the pump and wait until all the water stops draining into the reservoir from the flexible return line. Have a rag ready, as it is likely to encounter water in the following steps. Loosen the two quick connects on each side of the pump assembly by rotating counterclockwise. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Be sure not to lose the inner O-ring. Rotate the plumbing up out of the way. If needed, remove the silicone wire strap to move the power cord out of the way. Set aside the pump. Lift and slide the reservoir out. The black metal frame for the reservoir will be included. For Reservoir B and C, there is no need to remove the pumps completely. Just unscrew the quick connect in front of the blue ball valves. Remove Reservoir B and C by sliding them to the left and out from Reservoir A's place. Installation is reverse of removal. Be sure to properly seat the black O-rings. Leaks are guaranteed if these are not in place. Do not over-tighten the quick connects, as it could damage the O-rings.